Josh. I work at Catalyst as a lead carpenter.
Well, my name is Kevin. I'm a project lead here at Catalyst General Contracting. I basically manage a number of renovations all at one time.
Eric Dyson, lead carpenter for Catalyst.
My name is Trista, and I've been with Catalyst for just over a year now, and I am an apprentice.
It's been awesome so far. I've met a lot of cool people. It's a really cool place to work, just knowing that the company cares about me as an individual, not just as an employee. I think that's what attracted me here. Someone else who works here, I reached out to him when I saw that there was a listing, and he sort of just said, it's a no-brainer, just go work there. He said, Brady names are awesome. There's people that you're going to want to work with. They care about you, they care about your family. So yeah, it was just a really attractive place to come and check out, so haven't looked back.
I've had the ability to work for a lot of other companies and a lot to compare Catalyst to. But it's no, Catalyst, as soon as I got here, I realized that Catalyst was a company that was a really good team. Like from the get-go, not just in the field, but in the office too. Like everybody works together well. We're all committed to working well and doing a great job, and we're passionate about what we do from the office standpoint all the way to the final production.
I've learned a lot about the finish side of things. That's something that I wasn't too skilled in coming into Catalyst. And Catalyst is great because they're willing to develop you as an employee and invest in you into your professional development.
Well, being one of 3 WIST women, I would definitely bring more WIST assistants here if I could. It's just a great inclusive workspace. You never feel judged, you never feel silly for not knowing the answers. It's just a very positive space to expand your career.
My name is Sarah Collins, and I'm the lead designer here at Catalyst. I actually started as a sub-trade for Catalyst when I moved from London to Kitchener-Waterloo for about 18 months and loved the team so much they became about 8% of my portfolio. At what point in time, the boys and I chatted about a full-time career at Catalyst, and I have never looked back since. It looked really good on camera. Loosen up, loosen up.